Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a promo or creator codes within the Ubisoft app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Ubisoft app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the homepage. Now, you may browse through various different games that you wish to download from the store menu or right from the homepage. You can choose any specific kind of deals or DLCs as well as games that you wish to buy. Once you find any product that you wish to buy, you can click on the Buy Now button, and when you are taken into the checkout page, before clicking on the checkout button, you will see the Add a Promo Code or Creator Code option. Go ahead and click on this option, and now you can simply type in your promo code in order to get some discount. After you have entered your code, click on the Apply button, and now you will be given your discount from your promo code right away. After your discount has been applied, you can then click on the checkout button and proceed forward with your payment information in order to purchase your product with a promo code discount. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use a promo code or creator code on Ubisoft. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.